In critical industries, precision isn't optional. It's essential. Great Ceramic delivers advanced ceramic solutions for those who demand the best. From alumina and zirconia to silicon nitride, aluminum nitride, silicon carbide, and machinable ceramics, we custom machine it all. Our full-service machining includes CNC milling, ultra-fine grinding, polishing, and complex shaping, all based on your designs. Tolerances down to 1/1000th of a millimeter. Every part meets strict global quality standards. Our ceramic parts are used in harsh environments, driving innovation in new energy vehicles, semiconductor equipment, electronic equipment, and industrial equipment. From prototype to production, we help you turn ceramic concepts into real-world performance. Serving clients across Europe, North America, and Asia, we ensure fast delivery, flexible production, and reliable support. Leading companies worldwide rely on Great Ceramic as their long-term machining partner. We combine cutting-edge precision with deep engineering support, because real partnership means understanding your goals. Great Ceramic, making great ceramic.